Turanga FM Parakuihi Show Online with Matai and Rahia. Tomo mai, e wera te kai.
Iwa te Matai, ira whitu ki te iarere. Iwa te Matai, ira whitu ki te ipurangi. Turanga FM Parakuihi Show on air and online with Matai and Rahia. No mai no ki Parakuihi, ko te rā tuatoru o pipiri tēnei.
Tomorrow is the annual Queen's Birthday weekend clash between the mighty Ngāti Porou East Coast and the mighty Poverty Bay. And this year, the coast will host at Whakarua Park.
Now, the coaches of Ngāti Porou East Coast and Poverty Bay will be joining us in the studio right after this Parakuihi Online special to preview the upcoming game.
I hope it's a close game because I'm supporting both sides this year.
Yeah, foot in each camp. Well, unlike Rahia, I'm supporting Poverty Bay like I always do, but I still think they need to change their name to Te Tima o Turanga and away from Poverty Bay.
Bay. On Parakuihi today, we have a look at Hei Oranga, a new shop out Manutuke.
Tika tāhau Rahia. Now, earlier this month, I checked out Hei Oranga, and we'll show you that story very shortly. But first, she's standing by ready to deliver the latest news. Hei Oranga, mō tō henengaro.
Tai oro. Ngā tai pito pito o te tai rāwhiti.
Mōrena e te iwi, kua eke ngā pāmu o te karaka me wairua ki ngā tautapanga mō te whakataetai ahu whenua, hei toa ki te wāhanga hipi me te kau Māori o te tau. Ko Wipere Trust tērā no te karaka me Here Tau Station ngā taihana e rua kei te wāhanga nei. Ko tērā atu pāmu no Rotorua. Hei te whiringa ānuku, whakaputaina ai ngā hua. Ātata ki te 13 mano tāngata kua ora anō whai muri i te pānga o rātau e te mate kōwhiori. Tata ki te 300 tāngata e māwiwi ana me te mate nei i tēnei wā. Toko ono tonu kei te hōhi pera. A kā te koiranga kaitimua Parakuihi, ko Rahia tumutumu hau a tā Mārie.
Parakuihi tahi ki a Matai raua ko Rahia. 91.7 on air and online.
Tēnā koe Rahia. Now, e te whānau, this next story, e noho piri tata ana ki taku ngākau. Hiaha i noho piri tata ai, nā te mea, ko tēnei toa hou ki roto o Manutuke, noho piri tata ki taku kāinga.
Yep, so Hei Oranga's here and Matsu's house is over here.
And we'll leave that right there. Do not give my address away. Koi hara mai nā stalkers.
Yeah. It's called Hei Oranga. They've stopped serving kai coffee and ice cream until spring later this year when the weather gets a little bit warmer.
Yeah. But they're still open to sell homemade taonga. But let's let the pictures tell the story. Anei e whae nei, Hei Oranga. Piki ake ki waingake. Yes, we are here at Hei Oranga, situated in Manutuke, taku whenua taurikura. And joining us from Hei Oranga is Pānia. Tēnā koe Pān.
Tēnā koe.
Oh, it's so nice to be here. I mean, obviously I've been here a few times just quietly. So let's talk about the history of this place. When did you first decide I'm going to set up my own little tour called Hei Oranga?
Yeah, well, it's a short history. So this came off the back of our watermelon business, Manutuke Melons, which has been going for probably 5 or 6 seasons now. We grew here at home and decided we're going to put a little shop up the front. So the melon season finished and then we're like, what next? So we thought, well, let's move into something else, something that's still on the kaupapa of Oranga, and that's how this little shop was started. So that was only like late January.
What are some of the things that people can find here at Hei Oranga?
Okay, so the kaupapa of Hei Oranga is about well-being and sustainability. So a lot of the crafts that you see in here are made by locals with sustainability in mind. Not that we've spoken about it, but it just is like there's rāranga weaving, honey, fresh produce. Ice creams are a treat, but we do blend them with fresh fruit. So I'm really grateful that Vicky was able to work with me. Yeah, so she adds another service to Hei Oranga, and she comes out every Thursday and Sundays, and we're providing kai that's not processed. As little as possible, and it just comes straight from the earth. So it's all about connection to the taiao and each other.
Awesome. Well, you're going to be our guide Rangi next and take us for a quick little tour to have a look inside. And then Rahia is hoping, she's waiting with bated breath, fingers crossed, that maybe there might be some ahi creamy in there as well.
Well, you can't come here and not get an ice cream, right? Well, my sister-in-law, Margaret Wiley, she's a great knitter and crocheter. So she's produced these beanies and headbands, woolen headbands, the crocheted cushions that are very popular too.
Toadie, some flax woven bangles.
That's right, those are by Joy Repia. Stella Beach, these are herb bath salts that are quite well known. Manutuke herbs, that was a product that started here at Manutuke about 15 years ago.
And then of course, ngā mahiraranga weaving as well.
Right. So very grateful again for the collaboration with Te Muriwai Weavers, and I'm selling some on their behalf.
And then of course, speaking of Pikiake Waingake, my neighbour, Auntie Katie Nepia, making some unscented soaps. Very cool. Let's go outside. Ko puta tātou i nai, ne?
People, there are so many amazing gardeners and growers around here, and producing kai from their own gardens, and they'll bring things in. It's really about who's growing what at the moment. So natives, kai, herbs, and seedlings if you want to grow your own. Went a bit overboard with the cabbage, but there's cabbage, broccoli, spinach, just the basics, winter veggies.
And then we've got some honey, some miere down the end there as well.
Yep, Kahu Rise, Glenn Mills, he looks after a lot of hives up and down the coast.
Okay, so we have followed Pan back inside because she is going to make us ice creams. What's the most favourite ice cream?
It's got to be Fijo at the moment because it's in season, so that's just winding down. But strawberries and blueberry are the most popular aside from that.
We can trial.
We're more than happy to come and experiment with you, Pan. We're just a text away.
Yeah.
Well, we're quite flash at Turanga FM because with the magic of television, we can get you to make us one in like 20 seconds. Are you ready to rock? Oh, let's go, Pan. Here we go. Oh, is that a party in your mouth?
Oh my gosh. Yum.
She's got the thumbs up.
I'm going to go and sit down.
Oh man, I want another ice cream.
You do, eh? I te ngunguru tōpaku. Hei Oranga is a seasonal business, so they will be selling their yummy food and drinks when the days get warmer in spring.
However, you can still come and visit Hei Oranga at that address, which is kind of down the road from me, on Wednesdays during winter, because they'll be still selling their homemade taonga and homemade produce.
They're open Wednesdays between 12 noon and 4 p.m. So if you are in Manutuke at that time, Pania and the team would love to see you.
And if you want to know where they are, there it is. There it is. Now, next week we'll be talking to Jono Sampson, one of my old school friends from Ritana Toa.
Yeah, Liddon. And he and his friend are one of 3 finalists in the Lego Aotearoa Grand Finals, which is next Monday.
So next week we could possibly be talking to the very first Lego Master Aotearoa, but you'll have to tune in to Parakuihi Online next week to find out. But for now, have a wonderful long weekend.
Be safe.
Yeah, kia hau maru te noho. Hei kona. We still have to do that Lego challenge.
Oh yeah, that's right. Do you still have your Lego?
I might.
You lost it, eh?
Yeah, let go. I let go of them.
Parakuihi tahi kia Matai raua ko Rahia, 91.7 on air and online. Ko te reo